Well, good morning. I'm sure glad that I took a shower last night because it's like 27 degrees outside. My water hose froze up a little bit, so it'll thaw out. If I had to, I could switch over to my fresh tank. I've got like a quarter tank of, or a third of tank, quarter tank. I don't know. I've got some water in the fresh tank if I had to. Hose shouldn't be busted. All right, it's like, what did I say, 27 degrees? Anyway, I gotta go to class, do some solar stuff. Sorry, I'm just not awake yet. Whew, what a day. All right, got to class, did some theory. It was pretty good. Man, now we're working on actually installing some stuff in somebody's rig. I said rig again. Oh, but we're installing a system, learning how to do the install and all that stuff. This is so much fun. I'm so excited about this. I'm super excited to be installing it. It's all coming together now. I'm learning a lot now. If you don't know anything about solar or RV electrical, I still think it'd be a tough go just jumping into this cold turkey, but the instructors, everybody here is so nice. Man, Todd's great. You ask questions, he's so helpful. They want you to do well here, so they help you out. I can't wait to get back over there. It's a lot of puzzle solving, like trying to figure out, okay, how are we gonna do this, and getting other people's views of it and things we might not have, or I might not have thought about. I don't know. There's not a lot to say right now except for it's a lot of fun. So I'm not gonna sit here and blab on. I'm gonna eat some lunch and then I'm gonna go back to class. This afternoon, once class is over, I don't know how late we're gonna run, but I wanna run to the store, grab a few things, and I will make a video again and get it posted tonight. So just got back from class. It was so much fun, fishing wire, seeing the whole process, working with everybody else. Todd's a great teacher. He's been explaining things so everybody can understand it. I'm excited for tomorrow. We're gonna start doing some cables, running cables, getting the solar set up on the roof, getting panels put in. My wife's gonna kill me. I want to rewire my whole trailer now. Oh, don't worry, I'm not going to. So far, so good. I'll keep you updated. See you tomorrow.